It's very structured, it's very focused. Every little thing is done right. Those are all values that you see in the workmanship and in the people at Semper Solaris. My name is Mike Vassoler. I was a staff sergeant in the Air Force for about 7.5 years. I was a space systems operator, and I am now a site assessor for Semper Solaris. During my time in the Air Force, my specialty was actually at a radar station tracking all our orbiting satellites, all our space assets. We learned a lot about having integrity, making the job the priority, having that service before self, and just having excellence in everything we do, making it the best we can. Semper Solaris and the military definitely have a lot of close ties together, so those core values bleed over into our installs and into our work. So at Semper, I'm a site assessor. I go out and measure potential areas where we're going to put up solar panels, make sure we have the space that we need, and make sure that you're energy positive. That's something that Semper Solaris is great about, is having attention to those details, making sure that everything goes up smoothly. That way, when it's time to turn your system on, it works, and it works for a long time. Going solar American style is at the heart of the company. You have a lot of former military that are going to approach the job with the same mentality they did in the military. And when you get done, you end up with a better product. You end up with something that's put together well and something that's going to last for a long time. Mike Vassoler, Staff Sergeant, U.S. Air Force, Site Assessor at Semper Solaris.